Hi, this is Dr. Mahmoud Al-Odeh, and I'm here to explain question number 10 on chapter 2. As you know, we started with a chapter 2, and the chapter talks about the time value of money, how we could translate the dollar amount, the value of the money at the different periods in the future, in the present, or uniform series. And we've talked about the different factors that we could use, such as the A, uniform series, or P for present value, F for future value, or G for arithmetic gradients. For this video, I'm going to focus on one of the questions that is question number 10 from chapter 2. The School of Technology, Art and Design, STAD, is considering buying a packaging machine for its engineering technology program. It is expected that this machine will generate revenue from school through several projects and partnership with local companies. The estimate net profit in the first year is $75,000, and it's projected to decrease at the rate of $10,000 for the next 5 years. Profit then stays constant at the profit then stays constant at $7,000 until the end of its time life, 10 years. If the interest rate is 10%, determine the amount of money that STAD can invest in this machine. Assume there is no salvage value for this machine, which means once we sell it, we're not going to get any money as a salvage for the end of the life of that machine. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to explain this in Excel. This is the easiest way to calculate and solve this question, which is develop a cash flow table from 0 to 10, because this is the lifetime for this machine. And we don't know anything about the investment at the beginning, at the year 0. But we know that we're going to get some profit, a revenue from that machine, $75,000, and then for the next 5 years, from year 2 to 6, the revenue will be decreased by $10,000 because the machine is getting old. There are so many expenses need to be paid for the machine, etc. So $75,000 on the first year, $65,000 on the second year, $55,000 on the third year, and on the fourth year we'll get $45,000 as a profit, and $35,000 fifth year, $25,000 on the sixth year. Year 7 to 10, we're going to keep it constant as at $7,000. We know the interest rate is 10%. The best way and the easiest way is to use the NPV function. NPV equal NPV, put the rate of 10% and select all the values, and this would give you the value, the net present value for this machine, $242,327.99. So what does that mean, number? That means the School of Technology, Art and Design could invest this much amount of money on this machine, and by the end of the 10 years, they're not going to lose, they're not going to get any benefit. But one thing that they could gain, it's teaching the students on how to use this machine and how to become expert in packaging. So if they could invest less than this amount, so assuming that they found this machine for $200,000, then in this case they're making more money. They're making about $42,000 in profit. So, but at this time they're saying how much they should invest. They should not invest more this amount, $242,327.99. So if they want to invest more, if the machine costs more, this would result in lose some money from their pocket, basically, because after all the calculation, after all the revenues, we found that this is the maximum amount that they can get, that they can get to buy the machine. If they found a more expensive machine, that means they're losing. If they found a less expensive machine, they're making a profit. So this is a great example to show you how we could implement the economics and cost analysis in real life. And we've done it a lot in real life in companies. I worked with a lot of companies who they're not sure how much they should invest on specific equipment, on a specific project. So we have, as a financial engineers, as a financial analyst, as project managers, we should help these companies in order to find exactly the right amount of dollar that they should invest. All right, with that said, I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any question, and I will be happy to answer it. Thank you.